Good morning, students. Today in this third lecture, third video of Standard 8 SS chapter number 14, I am going to discuss the question answers. Once again I repeat, Standard 8 SS chapter number 14, lecture number, video number 3, and the name of the chapter is Introduction of the Continents Africa and Asia. My dear student, I have already explained the chapter. And today we are going to discuss the question answers. Number 1. By what name are the grasslands? By what name are the grasslands of Africa known? My dear student, the grassland of Africa are known by savanna. Okay, so by what name are the grassland of Africa known? Answer: the grassland of Africa are known as savanna. Okay, SAVANNAH. Okay, savanna. Got it? Second, through which countries? Here we are going to discuss about the longest river of the world. Okay, that is Nile. Okay, so through which countries does the river Nile flow? And which sea does it meet? My dear student, river Nile, it is the longest river of the world, and at last it passes from many countries like Egypt, Sudan, and many. Okay, and my dear student, at last it meets Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so through which countries does the river Nile pass or flow, and which sea does it meet? Okay, Answer: the river Nile flows through Uganda, Sudan, Egypt countries. Which are they? Uganda, Sudan, Egypt. Okay, my dear student, another tributary that is called Blue Nile. Okay, Blue Nile, which is its main tributary, flows from Ethiopia and meets it near Khartoum in Sudan. Okay, both they meet. Okay, where? So they meet at Khartoum in Sudan. Once again I repeat, Blue Nile, which is its main tributary, flows from Ethiopia and meets it near Khartoum in Sudan. Third point, the joint flow of both Blue Nile and Nile. Okay, both the rivers flow through Sudan, Egypt to meet the Mediterranean Sea. Got it? So which is the longest river? Nile. Okay, Nile river passes from Uganda, Sudan, and Egypt. Another tributary that is called Blue Nile. Okay, it passes from Ethiopia and meets both join in Sudan. Okay, and last they meet Mediterranean Sea. Got it? Next one, which kind of vegetation is seen in the Sahara Desert region? My dear student, we have learned Sahara Desert. Okay, so which kind of vegetation is seen in Sahara Desert? Answer: scattered thorny vegetation like cactus, jujube tree, red palm, etc. is seen in vegetation desert, okay, etc. are seen in the Sahara desert region, okay. Once again, cactus, jujube, date palm, okay, and these are the thorny, okay. So my dear student, in a desert we know thorny vegetation is seen, okay. Next, what type of climate? What type of climate is found in the equatorial forest region? My dear student, on equatorial forest, what happens? The sun rays fall straight. That is why that region is always remain hot. Okay, and because of the water mass, it is humid also. Okay, so what is that? What type of climate? What type of climate? It's not related to the weather. Climate. What type of climate is found in the equatorial forest region? My dear student, throughout the year the sun rays fall straight, and that is why all climate remains hot, and because of the water mass humid. Okay, so the climate of the equatorial forest region is extremely hot and humid, and my dear student, throughout the year it rains there. Throughout the year. Second point, it rains here round the year. Okay, it means continuously rain, we can say. Okay, every month it rains there. Dear students, my next question is write a short note. Write a short note on Egypt. My dear student, when I explain the chapter, I also explain about Egypt. Okay, Egypt is known for pyramids. When we consider about Egypt, automatically the picture of pyramid comes in our mind. Okay, so here I have written one short note. Okay, we are in this chapter we are writing two short notes. One is about Egypt and second one is about Africa. Okay, so write a short note on Egypt. My dear student, first point, Egypt is one of the most ancient countries. Egypt is one of the most ancient countries of the world. Okay, most ancient countries of the world. It developed on the banks of the river Nile. Okay, it is developed on the banks of the river, Nile. Second point. Okay, now third point. Its means its magnificent culture. The magnificent culture of Egypt is appreciated across the world. My dear student, even many people today they go to Egypt to see the pyramids, because pyramids, okay, earlier in ancient time it was the wonder, one of the wonder of the world, pyramids. Okay, its magnificent culture is appreciated across the world. Okay, next point. Egypt is famous for pyramids and sphinx. Okay, Egypt is famous for pyramids and sphinx. Okay, next one, the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer passes through the southern part of Egypt. Tropic of Cancer passes through the southern part of Egypt. Next one, the Sewage Canal. The Sewage Canal which also passes through Egypt has brought Europe and Asia closer. Earlier they have to take a long turn from Africa. If any country, India or Pakistan or whoever, if they want to go to Europe via we can say voyage. Voyage means a route by sea. That is called voyage. Okay, so they have to take a long turn but because of the Sewage Canal, okay, no need to make a circular route. They can enter into Sewage Canal and they can go to Europe. So Sewage Canal brought Europe and Asia closer. Okay, Egypt produces. Okay, since it's the, we can say, just like a desert area something. Okay, it produces date and palm. Okay, khajur. Okay, Egypt produces a lot of date and palm. Okay, got it. Next one is a short note about South Africa. Okay, my dear student, when I explain history and about Britishers, I also explained about South Africa. Gandhiji also went there, South Africa, to practice law. Okay, and at that time, the Britishers, they were ruling in Africa also and in India also. Okay, so we are much familiar with Africa, South Africa. Okay, got it. Here write a short note about South Africa. My dear student, South Africa is located as the southern part of the continent Africa. Okay, here first point. Okay, South Africa lies in the extreme south of Africa. South of Africa. In Africa continent, in the southern part, South Africa is located. South Africa falls in the temperate zone. It falls in temperate zone. Okay. Third point, the capital of South Africa. The capital of South Africa is Pretoria. Okay, which is the capital? Pretoria is the capital of South Africa. My dear student, normally the parliament of the nation, or normally it is located in a capital city. Here Pretoria, it is the capital, but parliamentary session is in Cape Town. Okay, though Pretoria is a capital, but parliamentary sessions are conducted in Cape Town. Got it? So the capital of South Africa is Pretoria. However, its parliamentary sessions are conducted in Cape Town. Got it? Next one, the other important cities of South Africa are Durban, Johannesburg. Okay, are there. Okay, so here Durban and Johannesburg are the other two important cities of South Africa. My dear student, earlier in olden times, agriculture was the main occupation, but after the discovery, they found gold mines and diamond mines in Africa. After that, it is developed, and because of that, mining activities. Okay, so that point is written. Mining activities have placed South Africa. Okay, it is found there. Okay, gold mines and diamond mines. Okay, so mining activities have placed South Africa among the developed nations of the world. Got it? My dear student, copy down this thing in your notebook.